Welcome back at Umidigi headquarters. My name is Lucas and today I want to unbox our new phone, the Umidigi F1 Play, together with you. Let's see what's in the box. At first we just get a small thank you card. Then of course there's the phone. I will put it by side and show you later. The next is our small letter with the SIM tray ejector and just the paperwork. Then we got an 18-watt quick charge adapter and our typical red USB-C cable. The phone itself comes with an extra case, and let's turn it on. Also, there is a screen protector pre-installed. That's why you see some bubbles here. Yes. So, the Umidigi F1 Play comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD water drop display with 2340 by 1080 resolution, which means there's a ratio of 19.5 by 9. On the left-hand side, we got a SIM tray which supports hybrid SIM, which means you can put 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 microSD card in there. On the top, we got a microphone. On the right-hand side, there's the volume buttons and the power button. And on the bottom, we have the USB-C port, the audio jack, and of course, some speakers. On the back, we have our fingerprint sensor and a dual camera. So the camera is a 48MP Samsung sensor with 1.7 aperture and an 8MP sensor as well to bring some dynamic and depth into your pictures and of course do some nice bokeh shots. So while we were waiting, we just set the system to start. The system inside is Android 9, which is supported by a MediaTek Helio P60 CPU and a ARM Mali G72 GPU. The system has 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, but it's extendable up to 256 GB via microSD card. The battery is 5150 mAh big and we have 18-watt fast charge. The F1 Play supports nearly all global LTE bands and can be purchased online from now on. The price for the F1 Play at the moment is $199 US, and that's because we just started the global sale, so be fast, it will be some more in the future.